is Adam Hewison, and I'm coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub.com. And the markets we're looking at are some of the most exciting markets in the world, and it's foreign exchange. Foreign exchange, or Forex as it's well known in the industry, is the biggest market in the world by far. It's traded 24 hours a day, 6.5 days a week, and it has produced some remarkable profits for traders and also for our trade triangle technology. But what we're looking at, I want to show you a couple of things that I've learned over the years that I want to share with you that I think you'll find useful. The first market we're looking at here is the Euro USD. Now what happens, I'm going to just put Euro here and USD here. Okay, so when the market's going up like this, it means that the first month, in this case the Euro right here, is actually gaining on the US dollar. So the dollar's going down in relationship to the Euro. I'm just going to put Euro there so we understand. So this is going up, meaning the Euro's going higher and the US dollar is going down. Now one of the cool things with Forex is actually you can look at markets in reverse, so that we could look at this market with the USD, so it would be USD Euro like that, which means the dollar would be in the lead month, meaning, well, I'll show you. I don't have to do anything else than that. So let me take this off the screen and I'll show you exactly how this works. So here's an inverse image of what we just looked at. Now some people, actually myself included, like to trade markets on the short side. They have maybe a better feel for them, but as you can see here, it looks like the market's clearly going down. In this case, the USD is going down in relationship to the Euro. So the USD is going down because it's the lead month here. That's how you tell in Forex. It's the lead month right here over the Euro. So the USD is going down and the Euro is going higher. Or it's taking fewer euros to buy a dollar. That's how it works. So I'm going to take this off the screen. This is normally how it's quoted, normally how people look at it, but you can look at it the other way. It's just as easy to look at it the other way, and in some cases it gives you a better feel for the market. So we'll take everything, we'll sort of stretch this out and see more of the market. And as you can see, we've had a very big move in the dollar from coming down to this level all the way up here where it basically topped out and started back down. Now with this market and with other currencies, what we do, I'm going to write this down so you'll really see it clearly. So we use the weekly charts and our triangles, either bullish or bearish triangles, for the trend. Okay? Then we use the daily charts for timing. So that's how we look at this market. So the weekly right here for trends, that's movements, big movements, and the daily charts and triangles, because we have triangles both for dailies and weeklies, for getting in the market and getting out of the market. And let me explain and show you how that works. So let's take everything off the screen and let's scope this in a little further. And let's go to our weekly triangles, because that's going to tell us what the trend is in this market. Okay, here we go. And we're going back just only to August of 08, so we don't have to go all the way back, but there's lots of signals. But you can see the first signal here was 64.04. The market went up 68.50, then to 72, the big move up, and now on the 11th, which is just a day or two ago, we had a signal at 76.49 that the dollar was in fact headed lower. Now this is the weekly charts. This is for trends, okay? So these triangles right here, triangles here, triangles here, and the triangle here are all meant to tell you the direction of the market, and they give you the initial first signal to get in. So let's take this off. Remember the date button right here, okay? So we're going to go to our weekly charts, daily charts rather, and we're going to look at this again. December 4th at 78.34, which is significantly higher than our weekly. So this is all about timing and how it works. So here you go. You basically were short. You got a nice short signal here, 79.04. You got out 78.06. Now remember, you did not necessarily go short until afterwards. So you would have gotten in here and you would have gotten out here. You would have made a few pips, but the important thing is you would have missed this move down based on our timing of the weekly. So let's just go back to the weekly, take everything off, and let's just look at the date where we had that signal. So we'll take this off, and we'll scope this back to the weekly. See how easy this is to do with MarketClub. So 76.49. So let's go back to the daily. So the date was on 12/11, 76.49. That was our original point to get short. So here we are. We were out earlier, actually about a week earlier, at 78.34, and our original signal came in on the weeklies at 76.49. As you can see, the market's trading right now at 73.20. So we have a nice gain in this based on our trend reversal on our weekly and also our daily. Hey, this is how we trade Forex. It's been very good to us. If you look at how this market has scoped out during the year, it looks like it could potentially close the year almost unchanged. We're doing this live. We have about 15 days left, probably fewer than 10 days, 8, 9, 10 days trading. And if we take this out further, and we closed last year on 12/31, we closed last year on this market at right around 60, right around these levels. So we're not that far away, about 5 handles, and that could mean the market closed unchanged for the year. And that's the important thing to remember. We've talked about this before in equities, but it's the same with currencies. And buy and hold is not the way to do this. You have to be able to move in and out of these markets, buy here, sell here, and you have to be able to do that to be successful, especially in foreign exchange. This is Adam Hewison. If you have any questions, give the office a call. We have staff that'll help you understand this. If you're a member, if you're not a member, you may want to try a 30-day trial to MarketClub.com and see how it works for you. But this is Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Every success in the new year trading Forex, because it's going to be a great market, and I think there'll be lots of profits to be made. So I'll see you on the web. Take care.